Today we are going to use an Ikonart Stencil to create a guide for a string art project. We're going to make this stars and stripes string art sign using the free design from the Ikonart website. So of course our first step is to make the stencil. Once your stencil is completely dry, you're ready to start creating. But we just painted our base with a blue acrylic paint first, made sure that was nice and smooth. You want to sand out any ridges in your paint, and then added our stencil. So we're using Art multi-surface paint today, but again, you can use any kind of thicker acrylic paint that you would like or thicken your paint. Next, we used a ruler to mark out the spots where we want to put our nails. Of course, you can just eyeball this, but using a ruler and marking out spots just makes everything really even and equal. So after we have that all marked out, then we just added our brad nails. And then you're ready for the fun part, adding the string. So you can add the string just in any kind of random pattern you want. The way we did it was we tied it to this top and then made a border first and then started just adding it in random patterns. This would make a really great project with kids or for a craft class. We currently have our red, white, and blue photo contest running in the Ikonart Crafters group on Facebook. So all you need to do is make a project with your Ikonart kit using a red, white, and blue theme and post it in the group for a chance to enter. The contest ends July 4th. So you can use one of our free designs like the stars and stripes one. We also have other designs on our website like this boots one. We have some hand lettered looking designs. Baby, you're a firework, home of the free because of the brave. We have some other, just like kind of firework themed ones. Of course, we have our very popular Pledge of Allegiance design on there. So if you use one of our free designs to make your projects and you post it in the group, that counts as a double entry. So anyone with an Ikonart kit can enter the contest, and the winner will be randomly selected on July 5th, and you win a mystery bundle from various products on our website and a few other goodies valued at over $100. So make sure to head on over and enter the contest. And if you don't have a kit yet, still head over there. You'll get a lot of inspiration from other Ikonart crafters based on the projects that they're making. My name is Fawn, and I share tips and tricks on how to make and use Ikonart stencils. If you'd like to see how I use our Pledge of Allegiance design, check out this video right here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload.